Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for thrilling rides and futuristic machines. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the modern modified 2026 Tesla Model Q, a vehicle that's redefining the future of affordable electric mobility. Tesla's latest creation, often mistaken as the Model 2 during its development, is officially branded the Model Q. This compact crossover has been modernized with bold design upgrades and cutting-edge technology. Starting with the exterior, the Model Q features a sleek aerodynamic profile, a redesigned front fascia with matrix LED headlights, and a fully enclosed grille for improved efficiency. The new 19-inch aerodynamic wheels and a low drag coefficient make it stand out on the streets while boosting range. Under the hood, the modified Model Q comes with a single or dual motor configuration, capable of producing up to 350 horsepower. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes under 5 seconds in the performance variant, while the standard variant promises a solid 6.5 seconds. Thanks to Tesla's new 4,680 battery cells and a structural battery pack, the range crosses 500 km on a single charge, with ultra-fast charging adding 250 km in just 15 minutes. Inside, the cabin is a minimalist masterpiece. The modified version adds Alcantara upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and a panoramic roof that floods the interior with natural light. The centerpiece is a 15-inch rotating touchscreen powered by Tesla's next-general AI chip, offering faster responsiveness and smarter features. The new yoke steering, inspired by the Model S Plaid, is optional for enthusiasts. Voice commands, over-the-air updates, and seamless smartphone integration come standard. Tesla has also enhanced safety, with full self-driving hardware version 5 installed, ready for future autonomous updates. The updated autopilot system features improved lane changes, automatic parking, and real-time driver monitoring. For storage, the front and rear trunks offer generous space, and a new fold-flat seat system adds flexibility for road trips or urban commutes. Every component in the Model Q has been modernized, from suspension tuned for comfort and control to a smart climate system that adapts to your habits. The vehicle is truly built for the tech-savvy, eco-conscious generation. That's it for today's ride through the future of EVs. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Tesla Model Q, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Raching Cars for more electrifying content. Until next time, keep racing forward with Raching Cars.